Davao City beginners, this is your chance to learn technical VA skills face-to-face. This is a one-on-one technical VA training under AI Income Builder Technical Virtual Assistant Academy. It is a 5-session challenge with 4 hours per session for a total of 20 hours of guided learning and hands-on practice. You will learn practical tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, Make.com, N8N, GoHighLevel, and System.io. This training is beginner-friendly and designed for aspiring VAs, students, fresh graduates, employees, career shifters, and business owners. Intro price is 3,499 pesos for the first 20 confirmed students only. You can also receive a free 1-month ChatGPT Plus subscription as part of the training bonus. Bring your laptop and charger, choose your preferred Davao City location, and message me for course details and reservation.